Are you in need of merging multiple Excel files into one? Introducing SysTools Excel Merger Tool. Excel Consolidate Tool is an easy-to-use solution that helps you merge multiple Excel sheets into one organized workbook. Key features of the software. Excel Merger Tool merge multiple XLS or XLSX files into a single workbook. Excel Merger Tool provides two options to add the data, add files or add folder option. The software provides two merge options, individual worksheets and single worksheet. Stop and restart options for Excel spreadsheet merging control. To install the software, download from the link in the video description. After installing the software, simply launch it. The first screen will appear. Click on Merge Excel button. In this screen, you will see two options to add your data. Add files or add folder option. Click on any one. Select Excel files. And click on Open button. You can remove the added wrong file by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. After satisfying with the added data, click on Next button to continue the process. In Merge Options, you will see two options to merge Excel files. In individual worksheets, merge files as separate worksheets in a single file. With Single Worksheet, merge all files into a single worksheet. Now, select the destination path. Software saves the resulted file on the desktop. If you want to change, then click on Change button. Select the folder where you want to save the resultant files. At last, click on Merge button. Software will start the merge process. Once the process is completed, Merge Process Completed successfully pops up. Click on OK. The software will show the final status report with total item count, success file count, and failed file count. Click on the View Report. You will see the export report and merged resultant Excel file. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.